name is Ashlee with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you how to operate the heat and cool of your Nest thermostat. Currently, your thermostat is functioning manually. Once you've installed Wi-Fi, you'll be able to set up the tech features. Your thermostat has a motion sensor. To wake it up, simply walk in front of it and wave your hand. The large number is the current internal temperature. The small number on the top is what the thermostat is currently set to. When you press the thermostat, turn it clockwise. You'll notice each icon lights up. The icon lit up identifies the function you were trying to operate. Highlight over the icon with the squiggly lines and press the thermostat to select. You'll notice operations of heat, cool, and heat and cool. For heat, highlight over heat and press. To turn up the heat, turn the thermostat to the right, and to turn down the heat, turn to the left. For cool, highlight over cool and press. To turn up the cool, turn the thermostat to the right, and to turn down the cool, turn to the left. For heat and cool, as you turn the thermostat to the left and to the right, you'll notice the heat and cool parameter settings change. Just like your phone, if you experience a glitch with your thermostat, reset the thermostat. How you do that is press the thermostat as if it were a button, hold it down for approximately 3 seconds until the screen goes black. When it's ready, the screen will illuminate again. An alternate way of doing that is pull your thermostat away from the wall towards you. Plug your thermostat back into the wall connection. Wait approximately 3 minutes before the screen highlights again. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact your customer care team. Squiggly line. Actually like this.